I'm now filming Bridgetown, Barbados. Bridgetown, Barbados is the capital of Barbados. The whole of Barbados has a population of between 262 to 285,000 people. Their favorite sport by none is cricket, as is true of most West Indian countries. They also like soccer, amongst other sports. Uh, it was established in 1627. This is the capital. They have a KFC. That's always reassuring. If all else fails, you could always eat chicken. I'm going to do a walking tour of Bridgetown. The people seem very friendly and easygoing. This is like a downtown. Which way should I go? Okay, I'll start from here. Nice breeze blowing through. Oh, it feels so good. The breeze does. I'm in Bridgetown, the capital. I better make sure I know where I'm parked. Yeah. Okay, get it wrong. Very busy downtown. Rihanna, this is where Rihanna is from. There's even a Rihanna street, and they have a Rihanna house where you can go visit to see where Rihanna was born. I gotta cross the street. It's easy to find parking. I can't read what's on this plaque. That's the flag, Barbadian flag. National Heroes Square. Of course, the island colony was set up by slaves. Over there's a drawbridge. And since it's an island, there's water on the other side. I'm going to try to film as much of that's they also got Rihanna's right there. I almost missed it. They're so proud of her. Born in Westbury Road. They are so proud of Rihanna. She's done well for herself. Still developing. Payless shoes. I haven't seen one of those in a while. This is downtown Bridgetown in Barbados. As per security, it feels really chill. You don't feel like you have something to fear. I've been in some countries where you just feel like you have to look around you all the time. Yeah, it's just like most Caribbean countries, it's just chill. I'm gonna go in here for a little bit. Of course, somebody's gonna say you can't film. That's the only thing with most of these countries. They tell you you can't film. Like everything is high security. This is nice. It's cool in here too. That's my brand. Just try to see, compare prices. This is like the main mall, hip mall. Wait for it. Nobody said anything to me yet. That's kind of surprising. Let me see what they got on the top floor. This is quite nice. Calvin Klein. Well, I'm gonna go right back outside there. And continue with my tour of Bridgetown. But if you like this part of the video, please go on and subscribe to the channel, like the video. I was surprised nobody said anything yet. I'll continue the video of Bridgetown in a minute. Now continue the video of downtown Bridgetown.
That there's only one man by whom man can be saved.
Someone set up a little church over there.
Or those that were following Christ.
I'm going to go into the inside street.
And they were choosing another. And they were following another. But the disciples, which is the position we take, is that to whom and we worship, God has the word.
Oh, that's like Chinatown over there. Let me quickly see. I'll stop the video here and I'll continue with downtown Bridgeport. If you like the video so far, please like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's a huge area.